So what's up, guys? It's another day, another edition. I'm going to continue, but this time I'm going to remove the air conditioning blower. This one sucks. It really looks bad. It really looks bad. If I show it to you, you won't appreciate. But then the good thing is that I've been able to purchase a new one. It's not a new one, but then I was able to get one from another car that I can use it to replace it. That was more better. It has all the plastics good there, so I'll be changing them. Then we set our air conditioning on track. So let's look at what I'm talking about. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. See, it's rusted. It's look all cranky and some funny stuff. I can't work with this. So I'm going to have it fixed. I have the new one. I'll show it later after I remove. But first, let's remove this thing, because as you can see, we have some pretty good rust here as well. So you can see we have some pretty good rust here as well. So let's remove this one. So as I was saying, let's remove this bar from there. When we remove this bar from there, we take it back, then we can work on it later. But then we remove this guy from there, because we don't need this guy anymore. So we remove this guy from there, then we see how best, because I think they just covered this side up. I think they just covered this side with something so that the hole there will not be showing. But then the one we have, the blower, that's where the blower is supposed to sit. So when we finish everything, we will see how it goes. Then we'll see how we align the tubes that connect to the what do you call it, the condenser. Yeah, the condenser. So for now, let's get on with it. Remove this one, then next remove this, then we continue with the way. So let's remove it. So as you can see, we have been able to remove the metal bar from there. There's a lot of rust. I'll show you later. But first, let's place back these screws, these bolts, these nuts there. Let's replace them back so that we don't have to wonder where they are in the later part of it, because definitely we will be putting it back pretty much soon once we replace the air condition. So it's better we place it back so that we don't have any funny surprises. Let me check if this one will fix this one. So I use this one. Okay, there you go. Okay, then we put this ones back also. So put this one back. Okay. Okay, so now should I remove this so that I can have the okay now? So I think this will get in my way, so it's better I remove it. This is going to get in my way. This is really going to get in my way, so it's better I remove it. So let's remove that one also. Probably we give it a little bit of spray. As you can see, we've successfully removed this from there. We have successfully removed this from there. so that's okay. Now let's attempt to remove this one from there. Let's attempt to remove the air condition from okay. I might have been having a little bit of problem because this thing is too rusty, so it's not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove from this bolt. I'm going to remove straight from the bolt here. Let's see if you can see it. I don't know if you can see, but there's a bolt here. I'm going to move directly from there. I'm going to move this one to directly for there. So let's do that. We've been able to get the air condition from there, and from the look of things, it looks like it was pretty much in good condition. So We'll just fix it up. That is it. We'll just fix it up and try and see if it's sellable. Can we sell it? I'm not quite sure, but then we shall see what we can do about this guy. But then now, let's pave our way through. So guys, as you can see, I've been able to remove the old wretched, what do I have to call it, from there. So now my next task is to, as you can see, there are some rust there, pretty big holes. They are really big holes, and they will cause more damage than this if I don't fix them ASAP. So I'm going to leave it for now. We call it a day for now. Then try to get the welders to come and have a look at it, and then have it fixed ASAP. Then we'll put a new blow-eye board there to replace it. So we call it a day for now. What's up, guys? So today I have a surprise for you, something different to show you, a very something really exciting. Let's check what it is out, okay? Because today this video is going to be short, but then we're actually going to take a trip to some place to visit somebody, okay? So first let me show you that person, because that person is missing now. So we got to find that person. Hold on, let me show you. Boom! There he goes. The guy is no longer here. The guy is no longer here. Where is the car? The car has been taken somewhere. So let's go find him and see how he's doing. Let's take the trip to the place, find the guy up, and see where he is and what he's doing. This is what I'm talking about. The car is at the car shop now. They are preparing it up for the paint job to be done. So as you can see, they actually remove a whole bunch of things and put them in the trunk. They're going to remove everything and then clean it up. First they have to prep it, so I think that's what they are doing now. They are cleaning it up. So for now, all we can do is to relax, just sit back, relax for them to finish the job. Then you see there are a lot of bubbles on it. There's a lot of bubbles on it, and then also, but anyway, they know what they are doing, so I'll leave it to them. They'll finish their job, then I'll come grab it up. So this is the visit. I'll show you the name of the shop later. But as you can see, they are really working on it. They said it will take 3 weeks. Well, I have all the time, so they should take their time and then have it done nicely.
Your tools is here.
Okay. When they finish, it's going to really look great. It's going to look awesome when they are done. It's going to look really good. And then I just want to see the outcome of it. So for now, we'll leave it for them to do their job. We'll pay them visit from time to time. So that'll be a wrap. This is the auto shop that is working on my car. the spray shop. This is it. They're doing a good job for me, so I'm really impressed and I'm really happy about it. So thank you. We'll see you soon, and check on the updates. This car is going to really look awesome because of the black accents.